we got Mike White in here and Jeffrey. This is going to be an interesting lap. Tweedledee and Tweedledum.
I've never even ridden my car. I've never even ridden your car.
Tweedledee and Tweedle Purple.
Oh, wow. Nice, Grant. Well played. I was on
Look
your
at
side. Face only a mother could love. That's right. Yeah, we got to play around with one of Shelby's Super Snakes down at Tulsa last year, but just off the street. So this is the first track experience. Oh, really? They're stupid. They are stupid. Needless to say, I'm prepared for whatever. Not my first rodeo. Oh, looks like they want us up front. We just listen to the transmission how it shifts. I'm just going to leave it in auto mode. ridiculous, dude. I grabbed the apron. I knew it was just instinct.
It's just an instinct to brace yourself. It is.
Yeah, I'm like, wait a minute. Can't do that because there's an airbag right there.
Oh man, smell the oil out here?
Oh, yeah. Wow, and that's 21 to empty.
Yeah. Well, don't look at the mileage. You got to look at the gauge. Because the mileage is calculating off fuel mileage.
You're just in drive mode, track mode.
Automatic. Track mode, automatic.
You weren't doing manual shifts or nothing. That was back. Oh my God.
Isn't that amazing how well it did that?
You were right on how easy this could be to drive.
Oh, it's too easy.
If you had
This car is too easy to drive.
even just a little bit of skill, you could still over or under drive the car.
Yeah, easily.
Wow. Thanks, Jeff. I appreciate it. That was amazing. That was amazing.
Yeah, that's fun, Jason.
I couldn't believe when you did those two rights to go back down the backstretch, how quick you got back on power. Tires never skipped. They never, you never spin them.
Yep.
Right back.
Back to the power, and away we went.
My God.
Now, the first one, we were a little chilly yet.
Yeah, that's all right. I get that.
That's just silly, is what I say.
Man. All right, well, we're time. Thanks, Jeff.
Thanks for that streaming. Oh, backward. All right, couldn't see you. You're behind the mirror.
So we got two more. We're just waiting on the region guys. They're not quite here yet.
Okay.
We're gonna show up top. Matt just went up with the golf cart to meet them, and then they'll bring them down. So.
He was very calm, sat there with his hands on the lap his entire time, except for lap 2 down into 10A.
Yeah. We were coming upon the car like, oh, please, Matt. Instinctively, I put my
His hands goes up to the apron.
And as fast as I could up, I pulled it back.
Yes,
No,
you did.
can't do that. That was awesome. That was incredibly.
Like I said,
Like I said, we've done with Shelby's car. It's also that